So you can see here, switch it to dark mode together with system. So if you turn off, you can do like this, or if you totally like this, you can turn this on, that is switch to dark mode together with the system. That is, the device in my hand is Redmi 812, and for taking this you must first go to the settings, and from the settings you must choose the additional settings, and in this additional settings there you can see language and input. So you must press this languages and input, and here you can see languages, current keyboard, manage keyboard, and below that you can see switch it to dark mode together with the system. So you can turn it on or off, whatever you want, by pressing like this. Hope this video is useful. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.